In this video, I will show you how to play multiplayer in Blade and Sorcery Oculus Quest 2. Step 1. Connect your Quest 2 to your PC, either USB link or AirLink. Put on headset and make sure Steam or Oculus PC recognizes it. Step 2. Launch Blade and Sorcery on your PC. The multiplayer mod adds a small menu. Wait until the game and mod fully load. Step 3. Open the mod's multiplayer menu. Choose host or join. Use the mod's Discord bot or paste an IP or port to connect, but hosting by Discord is easiest. Step 4. Tell friends to join with the same mod installed. Wait for everyone to load. Check the hands and weapons sync, then start your match. Just a little heads up, it's modded and can be glitchy, so play it at on your own risk.